Protect belly skin. It is familiar for people to put sunscreen on the face, the hands, or legs. Not many people are aware of the fact that belly skin is also vulnerable to the sun sight. When you wear crop top or bikini for swimming and sunbathing, your belly skin will get exposed directly to the dangerous sunlight. The rays will dry out your skin and damage it heavily. Therefore, to protect your belly skin, don't forget to wear sunscreen whenever you get out of your home. It is better to limit the time your belly skin exposed to the sun directly, like sunbathing. Swimming in chlorinated water also raises the risk of cell damage. If it is your hobby, just remember to take a shower afterward and use moisturizer on your skin. Those products with vitamins or aloe vera are highly recommended. Before concerning how to tighten belly skin, you need to make sure that this area is protected well from the hazardous external factors, for instance, the sunlight. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.